Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the Shellshock vulnerability, and I will use Hack the Box Shocker. And I'm doing a demo on this because I find it so interesting, and I was a bit shocked that something this small could get you a shell. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to visit this webpage. We're going to go to CGI bin. And there's actually a script in there called user.sh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn burp suite on, and I'm just going to hit enter, and I'm going to send it to repeater. And let's see, I'm going to take this piece of code. Let's open up a new tab. Let's do 444. All right, now we're listening on port 444. So you see this user agent, let's change it and let's input our code here. So it's gonna start a reverse shell to our box at 10, 10, 14, 12 on port 444, and we're listening. All right, I'm gonna send it. As you can see, we're on the box now. All because we sent this GET request to a CGI bin file. Hey, who am I? I'm Shelly. Let's see if Python exists. Maybe Python 3. Yep. So I'm going to spawn a TTY. So import TTY, spawn bin bash. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot to see. I forgot Python 3 C import pty spawn. Okay, there we go. So now I'm Shelly at Shocker. So I'm on the box and I'm in the user bin. So I'm going to do sudo l, and I'm going to see what my user can run, and I have access to Perl, and let's turn that off. If we go to GTFO bins, and if we look up Perl, let's go to sudo since we have sudo access. I like bash. Oh, wrong order. Let's see. There we go. So now I'm root. So now I can, and I'm the administrator. So the reason this is a vulnerability, so this has been out for 15 years before it was discovered. It was either 15 or 25 years. But we can see this is an issue with bash itself. So we have version 4.2.24. So it goes all the way up to 4.3. Yep, so 1.14 through 4.3 is vulnerable. So the web server Apache, it runs bash, and the code that we used, oh, where did it go? It went away, but this sort of escapes it, and then it runs our code. So it's like command injection. And what you do to resolve this is update bash, and it should be no problem if you're using a new box. So I thought this was interesting, and I've used it a few times.